In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in WordPress. Whether you're starting a brand new website or enhancing an existing one, adding a contact form is an essential feature for enabling visitors to reach out to you directly. It sounds a bit complicated, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step swiftly and effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com, simply open your preferred web browser, type in the URL and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. It's generally located in the upper right corner of the page. Give that a click and we'll move on to the next step. After clicking login, you're presented with several options, but the easiest way to get started is by choosing continue with Google. This is a convenient option if you already have a Google account, as it saves you from having to remember another password. Go ahead and click on that button. Now you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you'd like to use for WordPress. If you don't see it straight away, make sure you're logged into the right Google account in your current browser session. Once selected, this will redirect you directly into your WordPress dashboard. On the WordPress dashboard, draw your attention to the right panel where you'll find an option labelled Edit Site under Quick Links. Clicking this will take you into a section of WordPress often referred to as the site editor, where most of the magic happens. With the site editor open, it's time to start adding elements. Look for an icon that resembles a plus sign. This is your key to adding new blocks. When you find the plus icon, give it a click and then you'll see an option to browse all. Selecting this will allow you to explore various elements and blocks you can add to your page. Next, navigate to the Forms section. It's here where you'll find all the tools necessary for building different types of forms. Scroll through until you spot the section and get ready for the next step. You're almost there. In the Forms section, locate and click on the contact form. This will automatically insert a simple yet functional contact form onto your page. This form typically includes fields like name, email and message, which are just what you need to get started. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contact form to your WordPress site. Remember, you can always customize the fields further to better suit your needs. Whether it's adding extra fields or changing their order, WordPress offers flexibility so you can tailor the form perfectly for your visitors' experience. Congratulations on adding this essential communication tool to your site. Now you're one step closer to building a more interactive and engaging platform for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy editing.